Hello everyone. Today we will learn a new beautiful creative design of freehand design. For this we need paper and I'm using 10B pencil. Why it is 10B pencil you will be knowing afterwards. Very simple, 10B pencil, it leaves a dark impression you will feel while working. One more thing which is most important, consider yourself that you are a genius. You are a great artist. Whatever you are thinking, whatever you are going to do, that will be unique always. So have confidence, go ahead. For this unique design, I need one more thing, that is scale. Very simple. Put one line here and draw your design, your unique design, whatever you wish. See, I am drawing here. Closing little so that it will be better visible to you. Okay. The line is given here. One side you draw first. Whatever you wish. There is no any specific rule to go for an unique design. Specific rule is your thinking. If you are thinking unique, your output will be definitely unique. See, my design is ready now. I am sure you can go with a new design like this. First you draw one side, then try another side. Yes, so your design is ready. Hope you can create your own unique designs. Good luck.